Guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English, and today I want to show you how to resolve mathematical reasoning problems for competitive exams. So this is the third part, so let's get started. First question says, a bus has 22 double seats. If there are 30 passengers on the bus, and at least there is one person on every double seat, how many people have to share seats? Okay, so the problem says that there are 22 double seats, so this rectangle contains 2 seats. Okay, so there are 30 passengers, so and the condition says that at least there are one person on each double seat. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 22 passengers on each double seat, but it says that there are 30 passengers. So you can either take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 30 passengers on the bus, and the persons who have to share the seats, there are, so these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 2 times 8 equals 16. So there are 16 persons who have to share the seat. So as you can see, we can either have this, and no matter how we can accommodate this, we obtain the same result. So this is the answer, 16.